Okay, so that last video was really long, so I'm going to go through this homework very quickly so we don't waste time. Lesson 4.1, homework, lotion costs $15 without tax. So that means that's before, or the original amount. If there is a sales tax of 6%, how much will the lotion cost after tax? Okay, so again, that's just the original plus X% of original is equal to my final. So do I know, right, is there anything I could fill in with this given information? Sure, this $15 is without tax, right, and then I'm going to add the tax. So that means this 15 is my original. Do I know the tax? Yes, it's 6% of this 15 is equal to my final amount. And then, so 15 plus 0.06 times 15 is equal to F. And when I actually do the multiplication here, I actually get 15 plus 1 is equal to the final amount. So therefore, my final amount is equal to $16. So the tax was $1, and I just added it, and I got $16 in total. The next one, it's very similar, right? So now I'm again buying lotion, but now it says it costs $21 with tax, and the tax is 5%. What was the lotion cost before the tax was added? So that means I need to find the original amount. So original plus X% of original is equal to my final. So what was my original? I don't know. But what am I talking about? Lotion. So I'm going to put L. Right? L is going to represent my original lotion cost. Right? So the original lotion cost plus X%, well, I know it's 5% of my lotion, right? That's what I'm going to be adding. Maybe I'll put parentheses, is equal to my final amount, which I do know this time. It's $21. So then what do? L plus 0.05 of L is equal to 21. So I have one L here, and I have 0.05 L. How many total L's do I have? These are like terms, so I have 1.05 L is equal to 21. So how do I undo the multiplication of 1.05? I would have to divide both sides. And so I have to do this division over here. So it'll be 21 divided by 105, right? I moved the decimal place twice, so that means I have to move this. Sorry, you didn't see. So I have to move the decimal place twice here because I had 1.05. Make it a whole number, so I have to move it twice here. How many times is 105 going to 2? None. 21? None. 210, how many times? 2 times. So I put 210. Oh, it goes in nicely. Drop it down. Does this number go in there? No. So therefore, my answer is the lotion costs $20. Okay, let's move on. And then this one, after a 30% discount at Foot Locker, a pair of Jordans cost $154. How much would the price of Jordans? How much was the price of the Jordans before the discount? Okay, so again, it says before the discount, so that means I need the original amount. So that means, okay, let's again write original plus X% of original is equal to my final amount. So what was my original? I don't know. I'm talking about Jordan, so I'm going to put J. In this case, it says discount. So that means from the original amount, I'm taking away whatever percent, which in this case is 30% of 100. Oh, sorry. I don't know the original. It's Jordan's. But I know, right, it says after the 30% discount, it costs $154. So the $154 is after the fact, after the discount happened. And so what do I get? I'm going to say J minus 0.3J is equal to 154. So I have 1J. I'm taking away 0.3J. Right, so it'll be 1 minus 0.3. So I can't do this. I have to borrow. So this becomes 0. It's going to be 10. 10 minus 3. I get 0.7. So it's 0.7J is equal to 154. How do I undo the multiplication of 0.7? I have to divide by 0.7. If I do it on the left, I have to do it on the right. So I have to do this division, 154 divided by 0.7. I move the decimal place once, so I have to move this once as well. 7 goes into 15 2 times. And then I drop down the 4, and 7 goes into 14 2 times. Oh, that's nice. Drop down the 0. It doesn't go in. So that means that it cost $220 originally.